Hi friends, welcome to another Throw It Out Thursday video. We are decluttering our linen closets. Mine is overfilled with just random stuff. I can't even fit most towels in there right now, and I'm really ashamed to admit that, but I'm really excited to share with you this process because hopefully it will help someone out there, if not just give you some motivation to declutter something, anything. Alright guys, let's get to work. Alright you guys, look at this horrible mess. How did I let it get this bad? I don't know what happened, but I am going to de-junk this and I'm going to bring you along with me. And if you guys are not new with me, if you guys have been with me for a while, you know that I do my decluttering videos, Throw It Out Thursday videos with my friend Rachel from LiveLaughLoveMommy, and she's going to be decluttering her linen closet as well. So after you watch what I do, I want you to head over to her channel and watch what she does as well. And if you haven't subscribed to her yet, you have got to subscribe to her because she is awesome and you will not regret it. Alright guys, let's get to decluttering.
Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'm on my way now.
So this is what I did for the bottom half. It doesn't look the neatest, unfortunately. Still a work in progress. So I put like my larger throw blankets in here, and I rolled up my holiday blankets right here, and then some extra throw blankets right here, the smaller ones you get from like Walmart for $5. I folded those. I rolled them up kind of like this, and I put them right in the middle. And I put my extra toilet paper down here. And over here I put my basket of rolled up pillowcases. Now these are for all my kids and mine and my husband, so I still have quite a bit in here, but I got rid of a lot too. And then in here I would have done the rolling method, but sometimes the folding method actually reduces some space depending on what you're rolling or folding. So I just folded a bunch of sheets that my kids and myself use, and I put it in this basket that you guys might remember seeing in my Ross haul. Got a lot of compliments on this basket. It is awesome. I don't know if I'm going to continue to use this basket for this purpose, or I'll use it for something else because I really love this basket. I want to see it more than just when I open this, so we'll see. But so far that is what I have for the bottom half. I just took my Easter blanket out and I rolled it up. This I'm actually going to be putting on Sean's bed, so that's why it's not in there. And this pile is actually going bye-bye. Say bye-bye pile, bye-bye. And then up here, I have to work up here still too. But this was right here, and there was a lot more in there, so no, there's not. So now to completely redo this mess. All right, so this basket is just a bunch of like extra shampoos and baby shampoos that I like to use for Mr. Riley, and I actually use it on my skin as well because it's more gentle on my eczema. And then just a bunch of other stuff that we have as extras. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in the hallway closet or keep this in the linen closet. I still need to find a spot for this. And all these are all those candles that were just, and my Scentsy warmer all here. I gotta figure out a spot for that as well. I love candles. I'm not getting rid of them. I don't think I'm getting rid of any of these. I might purge a couple of these, I'm not sure, but it's not gonna make a big enough dent to really matter. But I do want to put these in like a box or something and keep them somewhere safe, probably in my hallway closet. I am gonna be doing a hallway closet decluttering video hopefully soon. I just need to get my husband to get our ginormous AC unit out of there, so that way I can actually organize it the way I really want to. And up here, all of like the health stuff. I had a couple of boxes of Band-Aids that I got from the Target dollar spot, and what I did is I just took them out of their boxes and condensed it and put it in my first aid kit for kids. I do need to sort through these. Ugh, another warmer, not Scentsy, but it's okay. Still works just fine. And then over here, oh, this is one of those things that you put in the microwave or in the freezer, and helps like sore muscles and aches and stuff. Right here is a bunch of miniature travel size shampoos and toothpaste and stuff like that for when we go on vacations. And oh, I can't believe this, you guys. All right. Oh, I still have these. My friend a long time ago, she got this from the beach and she brought this home to me. It's funny. It's one of those headache thingies you get for $1 at Walmart. And here, what do you know? It's more candles. Yikes. Oh. All right, wish me luck. All right, so this is what I did. I put all of the big medications and adult medications are all in here, and I put like this in here because it's bigger and it fits. I put lice treatment kit back here because, you know, when you have kids, you gotta worry about that kind of stuff, especially since I go to school. And this is what I did with the kids' medication. All right, so all of this is the garbage, and all of this is the kids' medications that we are keeping, and the Band-Aids, and I'm just going to put these up. Hard to one-handed. And over here. So all the kids' medications up here, along with all the adult medication, and there's all this space is freed up. I guess I could probably put this over here. Ugh, clutter. I need to get rid of clutter. All right, so that works for now. So I freed up some space right here. All this and all this. Gotta figure out what I'm doing with this still. Oh. And then this is what I did with all of those extra candles. I put them all in this bin, and I think I'm gonna put this bin in the hallway closet where I was hanging out with me. As you can see, a sippy right there. So yeah. Oh my goodness, work in progress, right guys? All right, so all of these bags right here, these 3 bags right here, these are donations, and this bag is full of garbage. So I think I did pretty dang good. All right guys, so I decided to put the basket of extra shampoos in the top right-hand corner because it was a good spot for it, to be honest. So I have all of the medical stuff, extra shampoos and conditioners and body washes up here. This shelf and this shelf is going to be for towels, but I have towels in the wash right now, so that's why you don't see a bunch of them in there. And then down here we have the bedding, pillowcases, extra toilet paper, and extra throw blankets right here. So I think that looks much better than it did. I am putting the extra candles in my hallway closet, and I will show you guys that in a future video. I am very excited to finally get that done when I do. Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends, and head over to Rachel's channel, Live, Laugh, Love Mommy, for more motivating content because she's doing the same thing. So I hope you guys have an incredible day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye now.
Yeah, I'm on my way now.